Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a Java program to find the frequency of a given character in a string. First, we will import scanner class. This is used to take input from the user. Next, we will create a class called character because every Java program needs a class. Next, we will write a main method. This implies the beginning of an execution of a code. Next, we'll create a scanner object called SC. This will help us to get input from the user everywhere in this code. Next, I will use a print statement to ask a user to enter a string. Next, I will enter the inputted string into a variable called str. Then I'm asking a user to enter a character using a print statement. I will store it in a variable called ch, and here also I'm mentioning character at index 0. This implies that I will take only the first character of the string when the user inputs the character. Next, I will initialize the variable count is equal to 0. Here the loop begins. It will start from the first character of a given string and iterates up to the end of the string. It checks using an if condition whether the given character and the character at the string are equal. If it equal, it will increment the variable count plus 1. At last, after checking all the character in a given string, we will print the output. Now, let me show you an example. Here, I'm giving the character as, string as Kavya and a character as A. We would see the output as 2 because A represents 2 times in the string. Yes, we got a correct output. Next, we will see a coding about palindrome. Palindrome is nothing but the string should be same while we see from frontward and also from backward. Example, madam, level, etc. Now let us begin by importing the scanner class for getting the input from user, and also we will create a class called palindrome string because we know that every Java program needs a class. And we will use a main method to begin the execution of a program. I will get a string from the user and store it in a variable called str. And also I will initialize a empty string for the reverse. I will begin the loop from the last of a string, from the last character of the string to the beginning of a string using decrement operator. Now I will combine the reversed string from the character coming from the last, so that I would get that reversed string in a variable called reverse, and this if condition checks whether the condition becomes true. If the given string and then a reverse string is equals, it will print the output as string is palindrome, else it will print as not a palindrome. Let us give you an example. Here, Ramar. It is a palindrome. Thank you.